Hey there, CNCers! Have you ever wanted to level up your information connection game? I'm going to show you how to set up an Ethernet connection between gSender and your CNC. If the computer you're using has only one Ethernet port and it's already occupied, you'll need a USB to Ethernet dongle or add an additional Ethernet card to your computer. If you use the dongle, the USB side will plug into your computer and the Ethernet side will connect to an Ethernet cable that you'll run out to your board. Note, don't use a flat USB-C to Ethernet cable. Use gSender to connect to your CNC over USB like you'd usually do. Go to the Config tab and click on the Ethernet button in the left column. Scroll down to find the following. Make sure the IP mode is set to static. Take note of the following values, which will be needed in the section for making changes to your Windows Ethernet settings. The default settings are the IP address 192.168.5.1, gateway 192.168.5.1, net mask 255.255.255.0. Once confirmed, you can unplug your USB and connect the Ethernet cable directly from your PC to your board. If you look where you plug the Ethernet cable into the SLB's port from the outside, you should see a green light and a flickering yellow light. You'll need to configure the PC's Ethernet interface. On the computer that is connected to the controller, find the network connections. If you type network in your search bar, View Network Connections will appear. Click on it. In Network Connections, right-click on Ethernet 2 and click on Properties. Please be sure to use the correct Ethernet connection if you have more than one connection. Double-click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Select the option Use the following IP address and fill in the fields IP address and subnet mask as shown. You can assign any IPs from 192.168.5.2 to 192.168.5.254. I chose 192.168.5.5 for this tutorial. Make sure this information matches and you enter the correct subnet mask. Click OK after that. Connect using the Ethernet option in the drop-down and you're done. And that's how simple it is to set up an Ethernet connection between your computer and your CNC using gSender.